This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can capitalize the first letter of each word in a string of text in Google Sheets. In the last two videos, I showed you how to capitalize all text and how to lowercase all text. And there is a third function that you can use to properly capitalize the first letter of each word in a string of text. So I have this list of character names and they're all lowercase. If I want to capitalize the first letter of each word, this is what I do. I use what's called the proper function. You type equal, then proper, then parentheses, and then you can click on the cell or you can type the name of the cell of the text that you wish to change. So here I want to change A2. Notice that it gives a preview of what it'll look like above. And then when I press enter, the first letter of each word is capitalized. If you want to expand on that and do everything in column A, all you need to do is click this dot, then drag it down. And now the first letter of each word is capitalized. Let's say you have a word and the letters are totally out of whack. So let's say you have something like this. This function will work for that as well. Since I already have the formula here, I'm just going to click on this dot again, drag it down, and now the text in Superman has been corrected to have the first letter capitalized and the subsequent letters lowercase. Also remember that if you want to put the proper text in the original column, you need to copy column F, which has the formula, and then paste special into column A. So you're going to right click or double tap on a trackpad, select paste special, and then select values only, which will copy the text itself versus the formula that is what's literally inside of each cell. So this video shows you how to capitalize the first letter of each word in a string of text in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.